Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zans. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
This is my impression of Arnold if he was an owl. Owl.
ENAULT spells listen.
Baby, here's your money.
Which money now?
The one you borrowed me on Tuesday.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
The gas is finished. Thank you.
Moral. Aye, but what you have a look, amo. But what they are not fine.
Guys, my wife is coming. Yeah, my wife is coming, and I want to prank her that I've done a DNA test and I've realized that I'm not the real father of our two children. Watch it with me.
God have mercy upon us.
Yes, hey love.
We need to talk.
What's wrong?
I've done a DNA test and I've realized that I'm not the real father of our two children.
Babe, I can explain, please. I can explain, please, babe. Please.
Jesus.
TCR with 4 pipes, right? 4 pipes on the TCR.
Yeah. Welcome to another special episode of Siaipula Levate. I'm never alone. I have my special tour sponsored by Florida Park High School, and it's about to get nasty.
Welcome to another episode of
If you come with a van to school, this is the only thing going to happen to you.
Imfundo iwukhiye wami wempumelelo angithi uqala kanjani awuqali usungena lapha uqala nje ngokuthi imfundo iwukhiye wami imfundo
Oh, baby.
Yeah?
Can you go back here and my scones? Oh, fish wash. Oh. Yes, Ama.
Yes,
Where for my scones?
no, bro.
How are you?
I have a gift for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, baby, thank you. Okay.
Call me when you get home.
Okay, how are you? Bye.
Hey, baby. Jesus.
Same here.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Not be your girlfriend, be that.
I've been waiting for you all day.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm here.
I've been waiting for you.
So, babe, I got you something.
Hey, you got me a gift.
Yeah.
You see women?
Babe, are you sure this is not a prank?
No. It's for you. Open it.
There's something inside though.
People make us have that shock.
Wow, this looks really good.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. I like it. When did ladies start giving gifts? So wait, this means I'm owing a gift, right?
Because, yeah.
I'm owing you something.
Yeah.
I'm always giving you something.
I know.
Okay. Alright, so yeah, let me just get you something. I'll get you a drink.
Okay.
Alright.
Then say a woman place now for kitchen. Say she supposed to fry all the chicken. Not supposed to.
Hey, baby.
Baby.
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Baby, Mom will be that busy.
at least at the volume and stay together. Something like
On that way sweet past relationship. Now plenty girlfriends. When you get plenty women.
This is so beautiful.
You're welcome.
Hello, babe. Where are you? Okay, I'm coming over right now. And I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming.
Here we go again.
Babe, you said you have a surprise for me.
Yes.
Let's have it.
Bye. I know you will love it.
He shot you.
Yes, it's fine.
Hey!
Oh yeah. 3 zebras were stolen at Johannesburg Zoo. And the owner of the zoo claims that he misplaced 5 lions. So be on the lookout for 5 lions. If it isn't the spawn of Satan.
Baby.
Baby, ngumqala katata akho siviwe. Asho ngehembe nini.
Hibo, and then?
What do you mean and then? You're not responding to any of my messages, siviwe.
Hibo, I was charging my phone.
So when you're charging your phone, you lack the capabilities of texting back. Anyway, I have feelings that you are cheating on me. We are cheating when
No, baby, I wasn't cheating on you. I was literally charging my phone.
If you're charging the pliers. For my work was a text. Oh yeah, cheater, Tom. Check now.
Guys,
what?
Stop it, baby. Stop it. Now we're spoken. Just stop.
Yo, Tommy, a man with authority. I think I'm blushing bad. Yeah, blush at plenty times. Sivi, why are you flirting with my friend?
What?
What Tommy is flirting with me because why in the way, Tiva? Oh my God, waiting young. Why would you do this to me? And I'm not Tommy, you type and Sivi, I always knew that you'd cheat on me. I'm 076.
I was not flirting with anyone, baby. I was just saying you guys must stop it. What, baby? It was just 20 minutes.
Sivi, you can do a lot in 20 minutes. How many rounds, Chom? 20, Chom. How long is it for play again, Chom? If I play by 13 minutes, sometimes 15. Yo. No, Chomi, are you still telling him? Fuck, Chomi. Can I expand the witchcrafty?
Okay, Carly, how many cookies do you have? 1. But how many cookies do you have?
2.
Open it! Check how many cookies you have.
2.
Oh no, I don't have any.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Poor Nika doesn't have any cookies.
I don't have any cookies.
You have 2 and I only have 1.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
What do I do?
I don't know.
Oh, Nika, I guess I'll just give you my cookie.
Don't take mine.
What if I took yours?
No, that's mine.
Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Carly can have 1.
No. It's mine.
Carly
Don't touch it.
Carly can have 1 and I have 1 and you have 1.
Don't touch it. That's mine.
Okay.
On regular phone today. Hey, can you back at the iPhone anyway? I love you too. How are you? Yes. How are you? Fine. Can I just live with my kids here? I want to go in shop, right? Yeah, they will play with your son here. How are you, Kunchununu? You play with your friends. Listen, it's my husband. You're saying my son. Please, I have my own family. You know I have my own family. I have my own responsibility now. Why can I get all the money that you're asking me? Last week I told you I don't have money. Now you're calling again. I don't have money. You heard him, right? Did you hear what he just said? Don't you have your own children that can support you? Stop calling my husband and ask for more money. Nonsense. It's your uncle, right? That was your uncle, right? No, it's your mother. It's my mother. Yes. Mama!
Cha kodwa ke nje nokuthana nomfana ongachithi ke nje ongasachithi ke nje nakancane nje awusambambi nje nakodwa ayi cha nje nakho kuyasolisa uvela bona thana isilima nje shimane lento le ayiqonywa
You see, the problem is I'm a closer person, but I don't like speaking my own language. Inenzeka xa sendithetha isiXhosa mani ndivele ndizive ngandiyi-businessman ndifuna ukwenza ibhizinesi ndifuna ukwenza imali. That's why namhlanje sothetha ngale way ndenza ngayo imali. Cofa kule link ilapha kule bio yam ne. Once xa usewucofile ke phaa uzawungena kwenye iWhatsApp group ekhoyo and then xa sewuphaa i-information oyidingayo izawuba iphana. Masenzeni imali majita sotya kamnandi. Yo ndendividiyo bra ndingxaki yam ndiqoba ngempama kwedini. Yeva ndiqoba ngempama mna xola kakhulu.
Enngwe relationship tshwana le ironing board bereka ya la maoto a bulegile. Otherwise, have a nice day.
Yeah, I know the weather is beautiful, man.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Definitely will
It's
get
very
there in
cold.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can sit in the car. Guess what? I just forgot my phone in the office, man. So I'll be back shortly. Please just stay in the car.
Oh, just go fetch it, it's fine.
Yes.
All right, sure.
See you soon.
Mwah. This guy. Oh my God. Oh.
God have
Angry. Eat a bit before it comes.
I'm back. Hope I didn't take long, eh?
I see that.
I hope you hit my iPod, eh?
Dumela mama lume.
Run.
Jo e bi utlwe jo ke starboy jo e dintshang jo medi aga jo ke mo sendele nthoka ya mo pele on tshwara ene ya ga isitso le jo kopelong sendele ya gago ke mo sendele
Senda ya papa o mfana ba tsa papa o romelle ngwana baba le nna ga ishibitso mo sona o sana ke latlhile nna ke tlo romella wena pipi
ene problem ya lona batho ba single ha le batlane lona ka bolona le batla batho ba rona ba jolang le rona
Ho ngotswe mo o ngotse nga ka la
Ho ngotswe
nyakalla
e bolelang
for o nyaka ho la
Yo, ai shame. Shame ngikho mango right la phambili. Yo. Yile.
Kako hapa inakutaka hapa.
Ela nna batho big brother kana la khalekile big brother kana la khalekile ke win bothata ela ke go ntsha motsoko ela mo gara setšhaba tlamera trenda ba re go ntshitse di-sandwich.
If 666 is 666, 444 is 444. What about 111? You
121.
dissolve.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
A few moments later.
Quick. Yo, Purison! You are quick! You are quick!